Hello, and this is a presentation on the element europium. For the basics, the atomic number is 63 and the mass is 151.96. It is a lanthanide metal with a silver color. It is very soft and reacts with water and tarnishes quickly. It has low toxicity and low density, and it has two isotopes, 151 and 153. The history. It was discovered in 1901 by Eugene Anatole Demarquet, uh, after many other scientists throughout the 1800s began separating rare earth minerals. Demarquet was finally able to separate europium from samples of samarium that he thought might be impure. So while many other people contributed to the final discovery, it is Demarquet who is broadly given credit, ultimately. The uses of it, uh, it is most commonly used in low energy light bulbs due to its ability to balance out harsh blue light. It often gives like a red or, yeah, red color. It is also used in control rods in nuclear power plants, due to its ability to absorb neutrons. It is, and this is why I actually picked this element. It is used in euro notes as an anti-counterfeit measure. So what happens is, as you can see in the photo, when you when you shine a UV light under it, it'll create these little red parts. And I just thought it was really cool that they went through the effort of finding the element named after their continent to use in their bills. So anyway, here are my sources, and thank you.